In the previous example, we have seen how to execute a simple hello world program in Node.js. Now, let's go to the next step. Let's create a HTTP server using Node.js. So here I have one file with name http server.js. Let me walk through the code. We are saying constant HTTP require HTTP. That means Node.js has so many built-in modules like HTTP and file system. And here we are requesting to load the HTTP module into the current http server.js file. It is as good as saying import in ES6. Import in ES6 is equal to require in the Node.js. After that, we are declaring two variables. One is hostname, where our server has to run, and the port number where the server has to run. After that, using the module loaded HTTP, we are creating a server to which we are passing the function which takes care of request and response. So whenever request reaches to this, it is responding with the code 200 and responding welcome to Node.js. Then with the server that has been created, we are saying now server is listening on port and host name, and we are displaying the port and host name in the console. Now to run the example, we have to say node and specify the file name. Now if you observe, the server is running on path 127.0.0.1 and 3000. So whatever the host name we have specified and whatever the port name we have specified, it is running the server at that location. Use control click. Now if you observe here, we are able to print welcome Node.js. That is what is the response we are sending. Here I have provided a simple version of HTTP server, but you can make a full-blown HTTP server created using Node.js.